Hi friends, good morning everyone. Yes, today we will discuss a very important topic called as operators. Yes, this is a very important topic in the C program called as operators. So first of all, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that specifies operation to be performed on various types of data, right? It performs some operation on the various types of data. For example, see here, if A plus B, right? This is an expression. First, I want to clear you. This is an expression, right? A and B are called as operands, right? And this plus is called as operator, right? Here the mathematical symbols which we are using in the expression, or which combined, which operate between the two operands. So this mathematical symbol is called as operator, and these two are called as operands. Operands, it may be variables, functions, right? These are called as operands, and the whole, this A plus B, is called as expression, right? Yes. Now operand, see, look at here. Operand, it may be a constant, it may be a variable, or it may be a function which returns a value, is an operand. Now expression, right? A sequence of operands and the operators that is reduced to a single value, right? The sequence of it, operands and the operators, and after this it should reduce a single value, that is called expression. That is called expression. Now see, for example, these all are the examples of the expressions. It may be A plus B, A into B, A divided by B, A minus B, right? These are the examples for the expressions. Now next comes to here, that is types of operators. So in a C we have a number of types of operators. So here the types of operators which are based on the number of operands we are dividing, right? Now only we discussed what is operand. Operand may be a constant, may be a variable, may be a function, right? Yes, here we are dividing our operators based on the number of operands, right? Based on the number of operands. Yes, the first one is called as binary operator. Second one is uh, first one is unary operator. Second is binary operator. Third is ternary operator. Fourth are some special operators in the C, right? Yes. Now the first one is unary operator. See, it's very easy. Unary. Why it is called unary? Unary means one, right? Unary means one. Yes. An operator which acts on only one operand to produce the result, right? A operator which is deals with, or which is acts on a single operand. For example, A is operand, plus is operator. So this operator is deals, or it acts on only single operand, right? Is called unary operator. For example here A plus plus, how many operands are there here? Only one operand. So this is called as unary operator. It may be a plus plus, or it may be a minus minus, right? Here B is an operand. How many operands are there? Only one operand. So the operator which acts on only one operand is called as unary operator. I think it's clear about you, right? Just look at the operands, not the operators, right? Only look at the operand. If the operator which is acts on only one operand is called unary. Yes, the same thing here. Binary, right? The operator which acts on two operands. Here A and B are the two operands, but this is an operator, but this operator is acting on both the operands, right? Which deals with both the operands is called as binary operator. Example is this only, right? A plus B, A minus B, A into B, right? These all are the types of binary operators, right? Now just comes to here and see here everything. Here notes is there. So this is the example, that is A plus plus, A minus minus. If the value of A is 5, after incrementing, after using unary operator, it becomes 6. A minus minus means 5 will become 4, right? Now the same binary operator, the operator which acts on two operands to produce a result, right? So this is binary, a into b, a divided by a plus b. Now comes to the ternary operator, an operator which acts on three operands, which acts on three operands to produce the result, is also called as conditional operator. See here, the name itself indicates it's a ternary operator. Ternary operator means now it acts on three operands. Three here, a b c, here three operands we are using, right? Which acts on three operands is called ternary, right? Ternary means three, right? And now in the last we have some special operators. The special operators are here, that is size of operator. See the classification, in a special operator it comes size of operator or etc, right? Now this is now these four operators what we discussed, these all are based on the number of operands. I'll repeat once, if it contains only one operand is unary operator, right? The operator which acts on single operand is unary, the operator which acts on two operand is binary, the operators which acts on three operands is ternary, right? Yes. Now some are the special, leave it about that. Now the second, again the second classification, the second main classification, that is classification is based on type of operation, right? Those are based on operand. This is based on type of operators, types of operation, right? Here yes, based on the operation, again the operators can be divided into number of types called as arithmetic operator, increment or decrement operator, relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator, special operators, right? These are the types of operators which is based on the operation, right? Based on the operation. Yes, among that we will see the first one called as arithmetic operator. Yes, these are used to perform the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. These operators perform the operations on two operands, right? Arithmetic. See, I think already you know about this, the description, that is called addition, and symbol, meaning, example, result. Addition, the symbol is you know already, that is plus. What is the meaning of this is called summation or sum. Example, 2 plus 2 is 4. Subtraction, it's a minus, meaning is subtraction only. 2 minus 2 is 0. Multiplication, it's denoted by star symbol. Multiplication, 2 into 2 it's a 4. Division, the symbol is this only, that it's called as divide. So 2 by 2 is 1. Modulus, yes, the symbol is this one for the modulus, and the meaning is remainder, that is 2 remained by 2 is 0, right? Yes. Now we will see just a simple program by using arithmetic operators. See here, write a program to perform all arithmetic operations. See here, I put k important, it's a khatarnak important. Once I put k important for any question, it's 100% there in the exam point of view, right? Yes. Now come here, open the write the preprocessor directive #include stdio.h, open the main function. Now here int number 1, number 2, and int sum. I want to store the summation in this variable, subtraction, multiplication, and modulus. And for the float I took division as a variable. See, for these two I took the data type is integer. For the division I took the data type is float. Why? What is the reason? Because for the data type of float it contains decimal point, because if you divide, if you entered for example 3